god. What the fuck? Oh my god, it's moving.
What?
It's moving.
Yeah, it's a robot.
It's a robot. What?
Soap.
Oh, this is soap.
Yeah, the first one was rims, this one is soap.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at the glass, it's so clean.
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming. Oh my god.
Oh fuck.
Whoa,
I will take off that. You take off the soap.
whoa. You have wipers.
My whipper.
You have wiper. It just turned on by itself?
Yes, it detect water as a type.
Oh my god. Wow.
That's a lot of soap.
I feel so clean.
When you get out.
No. Wow. Whoa. These have colors.
This is the three color. It's supposed to be blue, yellow, and pink.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Holy shit.
It's the activity of the day for you.
Yeah. Oh my god. What the fuck?
They call it mousse de couleur.
Oh wow, you picked it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Agent de deux soap, it's not finished yet.
It's not done?
No,
What is that?
This is the shining.
Shining.
Then the last one.
Ooh. Hell yeah. That's it.
Yeah. Now it's drying.
Oh, they dry you too?
Yes.
Oh, they're like the hand dryers. Holy
I
shit.
have 80 seconds to dry.
They count you. Oh, okay.